All right, fam. Super short and sweet. Nothing crazy here. The hack is back, but it's only on the Packout Buy More, Save More. I will show you guys in a minute. I know you guys are looking at this right now. You guys can see the Buy More, Save More is applied on the Packout stuff. I got the XL toolbox and the large rolling chest there. I'm saving 26%. Yes, we can save a little bit more than that, but that's not the point. The point is I have one for store pickup and one for ship to home. And that little, both items must be for store pickup or for ship to home is not showing up right there. That means that, yes, the other item is cancelable. It has been already tested by other people at Deal Team 6, and this is hackable. There's also a fan that is hackable, but you kind of got to you have to ship both the item and the high output battery to your house for the M12 fan and return one or the other. I don't really see why anybody would want to keep the high output 2.5, but the option is there. Anyways, normally when we try to do the hack nowadays, this is what happens when you have one for store pickup and one for ship to home. Please make sure promotional items have the same delivery or pickup options and try again. And you guys can see that's not the case here with the Packout stuff here. Let me just get rid of this stuff just so you guys can see. And there you go. Completely hackable. I'll leave another link to the rolling tool chest. And you guys can do the math in your heads. You guys got to get to 300 as close to as possible. Go over by $1 or so. I know that's not actually possible, but the point is, do some math. Links there. Have at it, fam. Good luck.